Cooking at home should feel healthy and safe, but with concerns about chemicals like PFAS, BPA, and other toxins in kitchen appliances, choosing the right air fryer has become more important than ever. In this video, we'll walk you through the best non-toxic air fryers of the year to help you make a confident choice for your kitchen. We've reviewed each option based on food-safe materials, temperature control, ease of cleaning, cooking performance, and overall value. Stick around as we break down the top picks designed to support both your health and your taste buds. Number 8 in my list is Gotham Steel Air Fryer. Gotham Steel's 4-quart air fryer is a user-friendly option for 1 to 2 people. Its simple top dial offers 4 preset modes from 175 to 400, perfect for thawing to rapid air frying tasks. Additionally, a custom front dial allows precise cooking time adjustments. Using the etched cooking guidelines on the unit's top, select the heat preset of your choice and adjust time using the front dial. My only complaint is that the temperature guides are not definite, only approximate. You may need to adjust time shorter or longer using that front dial. What sets this fryer apart is Gotham Steel's PFAS-free non-stick ceramic-coated basket. It's triple-coated and titanium reinforced for a longer non-stick lifespan. This is important as ceramic coatings generally don't last as long as Teflon. Another smart detail is the basket's fat-draining design, ensuring no excess grease remains in your food. Lastly, the basket is removable for easier cleanup. Although labeled dishwasher safe, again, I advise hand-washing ceramic coatings. Number 7 in my list is Our Place Wonder Oven and 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Our Place's 1400-watt Wonder Oven combines style, safety, and efficiency. It boasts rapid 2.5-minute heat-up and versatile settings in a 100% PFAS-free design. While not strictly an air fryer, its air fry setting delivers textured fillets with 360-degree hot air circulation and an adjustable steel rack. The roast setting offers versatile meal prep, paired with the included ceramic baking pan and multiple shelf positions. You can cook meats and side dishes at the same time. Plus, it features 4 other settings like bake, toast, broil, and reheat, all supported by a 60-minute auto shoot-off. With 12 liters of capacity, the Wonder Oven easily fits 4.5 pounds chickens, 9 pizzas, 4 slices of toast, or a pound of fries. But what sets it apart from other air fryers is the steam infusion system, ensuring a crispy outside and moist inside. I love how this feature works regardless of your cooking setting. Simply pour water down the steam inlet to revive stale rolls and old pizza. It works. Number 6 in my list is GreenPan Stainless Steel 13-in-1 Air Fryer. GreenPan's air fryer features a rugged stainless exterior with a ceramic non-stick pot inspired by their renowned cookware. Unlike standard ceramic coatings, GreenPan's diamond-infused Thermalon offers a longer usable lifespan. I still advise sticking to non-metal utensils to prolong your investment, however. The unit itself comes fitted with a 13-in-1 operating system, offering versatile air frying, baking, and more. But what sets this model apart is its inclusion of 2 lids. The stainless steel lid's design rapidly circulates hot air around food, perfect for air frying. Use it with the included ceramic basket for easy, non-toxic cleanup, or use the stainless steel steamer basket and tempered glass lid to track your food's progress when slow cooking or steaming. I also love GreenPan's spacious, rectangular cooking pot. It accommodates large roasts and side-by-side frying better than circular air fryers. Lastly, the ceramic-coated pot is dishwasher safe, though I advise hand washing to prevent wear. Reserve dishwasher use for the busiest days. Number 5 in my list is Nutri-Chef Air Fryer. Nutri-Chef's 1200-watt air fryer convection oven, equipped with a glass bowl instead of non-stick coatings, offers a healthier alternative. Compared to the Big Boss, its medium 13-quart size better accommodates smaller kitchens. It provides enough space for meal prepping while cooking a full-size rotisserie chicken. What sets Nutri-Chef apart is its versatile temperature range, from 149 for defrosting to 482 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying. However, the halogen bulb and rapidly circulating fan ensure fast heating, eliminating the need for thawing. With simple rotary dial controls, you get full control over time and temperature while leaving out confusion. The removable dishwasher-safe glass bowl makes cleanup a breeze, and the built-in auto shutoff ensures no burnt food mishaps. Number 4 in my list is Oster Compact Countertop Oven with Air Fryer. Oster's compact oven has 4 versatile settings with air frying capability. Its small, space-saving design is perfect for single adults or couples in tight kitchens. This model offers slightly more control than Black & Decker's Crisp and Bake. There's a standalone dial to set your mode: air fry, broil, bake, toast, or turbo convection. Then you can use the separate temperature and time dials to make on-the-fly adjustments. It's straightforward, offering enough flexibility to handle most tasks without overwhelming you with options. The modest 3.9 quart size fits 4 slices of bread or a 9 pizza at a time. Now, I'll say that I found the Crisp and Bake to have a more effective air fry setting than Oster. But Oster's turbo convection mode browns food more evenly than similar ovens I've tried. For care, Oster's polished stainless steel interior makes cleaning easy. Just give it a quick wipe here and there. The stainless cooking racks are dishwasher safe as a plus. Number 3 in my list is 16 large glass air fryer. The Big Boss features adjustable time and temperature for versatile air frying, baking, grilling, roasting, and toasting. I found its 1,300W built-in fan and 360 degrees convection system to be fast, outperforming similar models I've tested. And I love how the glass bowl design allows real-time food monitoring. If needed, you can easily adjust the time to prevent over or undercooking. But my favorite feature is the extender ring. It adds 5 quarts of capacity in seconds without sacrificing counter space. Even without it, the 11 to 12 quart size is highly versatile. With dual stainless cooking racks and its tall design, I could cook 2 items at once, like potatoes on the bottom and a roast on top. Lastly, overheat protection and automatic shut-off come standard, ensuring worry-free air frying. And cleanup is straightforward. Remove the bowl and chuck it in the dishwasher. Number 2 in my list is Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid 13-in-1 Air Fryer. Instant Pot's 13-in-1 air fryer features the ultimate lid, combining air frying and pressure cooking in one device. Its 100% stainless steel interior, including the lid, ensures healthy cooking. With 13 preset settings, it caters to nearly every cooking task in one unit, and the intuitive LCD guides you through each step. The Ultimate's generous 6.5 quart capacity serves about 2 to 4 people, ideal for one-pot family meals, and safety is paramount. Featuring 11 plus backstops like overheat protection and an auto-locking lid, the LCD's steam release button reassures you when it's ought to open the lid, relieving the frequent pressure cooking anxieties. A versatile steaming/air frying rack and access to Instant Pot's app with 800 plus recipes are included. With the intuitive settings and recipe options, you only need to buy the ingredients. Number 1 in my list is Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer. Several of Ninja's air fryers use Teflon PTFE coated baskets, but this 1750-watt model features non-toxic ceramic. Besides its safety, this model stands out with its precise, air-frying specific settings. With air roast, air broil, and max crisp, it adjusts time, temperature, and fan speeds for various outcomes. Use air fry for versatile tasks and air roast for lower, slower cooking, ideal for whole chickens. Max crisp, at 450, ensures perfect crispiness 30% faster than Ninja's previous model. This mode excels for cooking frozen fries and wings quickly. Its 5.5 quart capacity generally suits 2 to 4 people. Customizable through digital controls, the bake, reheat, and dehydrate settings expand your culinary options. Post-use cleanup is easy, thanks to the removable ceramic-coated basket. Although rated dishwasher safe, I advise hand washing with a soft sponge to preserve the ceramic's lifespan. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.